Hi, today I'm reviewing Lenovo TAB M8 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the display section. Then click to wallpaper and tap to wallpaper section. We can see here the photos from our device gallery, the Google Drive photos. Also, we can use the default photos on our device. For example, let's use one from this one. Click here on the right upper corner to set wallpaper, but before, don't forget here to select desktop or lock screen. We should select only the lock screen, so unselect the desktop and tap to the right upper corner to set the wallpaper. After that, let's just lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first, we should hold for a while the empty space on the home screen, then click the wallpaper icon, and by the same way, select one from the available wallpapers, unselect the home screen, select under the lock screen, tap on the right upper corner to set wallpaper, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.